Hello, welcome back to 3D Drawing for Model Railway. I'm going to continue on today's lesson working on the pipe work, but this time I'm going to swap onto the other side. And looking at the photos, we've got less pipes here. We've got some thicker ones at the top, a couple of thin ones, and a medium-sized pipe that we can add on. So let's start looking to get those out of it. I'm going to start with this medium-sized pipe, which goes obviously from the cut out part of the chassis, and we're looking to come halfway along between these two handrails on this side. Okay, so I'm going to draw on that inside profile, and we're looking to use the line. I'm going to come, say, halfway between these two handrails. Let's go somewhere around 43 millimeters. And the distance between the we're going to do is 0.3. And we use the pipe tool. I think we'll go for the 0.3 millimeters on that one. So the next two are quite thin pipes, they come to about the same sort of position. So again, drawing on that inside face. Let's just check. Yeah, they come to about the same length, so we'll do 43 mil again. And height, I think I'm going to go for 0.7. Roll that up to pipe. I'm going to come down to 0.2 on the thickness of that. And then we'll pattern that pipe. Direction will go vertical. 0.4, 0.3. Okay, so that's those two, and then we've got three longer ones that come all the way along to the step. So again, draw on that face, line, all the way along to the step. So I'm going to go for 58 millimeters. Find the distance. That's 1.5. Let's see where that puts us. So we've got three of these to do. So we'll do pipe on that. Going to increase the thickness to 3.5. And then we'll try to pattern that feature vertically. And I say three of them. And yeah, we can already see that's not going to work. They're all on top of each other there. And clearly there's separation. So if we edit that pipe, let's bring that down to 0.3. Yeah, it might have to just be the same sort of size as this bottom one there to get that to fit in there. So just looking at that, 3 in there, only 2. I think I'll go with that. Okay, so let's have a look down the other end. Okay, so the bottom 3 go all the way along. That one goes up there, but I'm just going to simulate it going all the way along because this one does actually come across here. So we'll do the same process here. We'll get these copied onto this one. So we'll just check the positions here. So edit sketch on that one. So it's 0.3. Sketch onto there. Draw a line from edge all the way along. Three. On the pipe diameter. This one, look at the height, so 0.7. Pattern that. I think we did 0.3. Just check that pattern there. Yeah, 0.3. And then the last one is there. And we did the first line was a height of 1.5. Let's delete that line and try again. So won't see that edge, so we'll just project that on and we'll define that height independently. I think we're going for 0.3 on there in the end. Pattern that pipe vertically. 1 millimeter looks okay. Okay, now we need to use the loft tool. That profile to start with, to that one. So that's all those pipes there drawn and lofted. Okay, so now we'll do those supporting uprights we had on the other side. So if we take a quick look at that sketch for the upright, we didn't define, I didn't define a distance from the edge. So if I take that do the same now on this side. So draw sketch on that back profile. That comes all the way down to the bottom there. 0.5 in width. Define to that profile as 7.65. Okay, and then if we select, have to select all these profiles here now independently. What I could possibly do is just do that. Drag from top left to bottom right, right click extrude. I think we can 0.3, make sure that's a new body. Let's just see how far we drag that across, 28 millimeters. So if we do the same pattern, that feature horizontally, 28 millimeters, there's 3 of them, 1, 2, there's 4 of them. That looks about the right place actually, come down where his handrail is. Yep. There's going to be another one, this area here, but it only comes across the top 3. So if we project, actually start sketch on that inside surface, I'm going to project that and that edge there. And then we draw that down. So 0.5, I'm going to do 1.8 as the height. Define distance from there to there, 7 millimeters. Because that's what the distance should be between these, I think. You can check that. Inspect from that edge to that edge. This is 8.83. Back into that sketch. And change that 7 mil. To catch up to 8.83. And the spacing will be the same as the rest of these. Extrude 3. That does a cut. Excuse me. Change that to a join. Capture the position of whatever's changed there. Something's changed here. Let's undo that. That moved. Why is that moved? Okay, so for some reason that was moving. Just go back to fix that. Let's extrude that. 1.3. Cut again. I need to pay attention to that a bit more. Okay, and then we'll combine the main body with those 4, which are the uprights we've just added there. Okay, so we've got the same on this section that we'll add those in. We can check what we did on the other side, which would be that one there. there. Put that at 5 mil. And we can do the same on this side. So step on the inside profile. Rectangular tool. So we need to project that and that. Rectangular tool now. 5 width. Extrude 3, join, nope, new body, okay, and then we'll have a look at, okay, so that was 20mm, we did that pattern by, okay, so pattern, feature, horizontally, 20mm, and yeah, did 3 of it, okay, and then combine those bodies together. Okay, so that's the pipes down that side done. Okay, so a couple of quick easy lessons there, you should be able to follow along there, quite simple, and that gets that detail added onto that sole bar there. Hope you enjoyed those episodes and thanks for watching.